Hi, I'm Greg from RVHaulers store. For 17 years, we've been building these RVHaulers designed to take Jeeps, smart cars, motorcycles, sports cars, and still be able to tow the largest of recreational fifth wheel trailers. I'm introducing you to our RVHaulers store, where you yourself can build a bed similar to this, any size, any color, any length, and in particular, we've got all the other pieces necessary, like wheel chocks, tracking, tie-down straps, electrical systems, like our CAN board for converting the commercial wiring to what you need in your RV. We also have ramps, so you can load either from the side or the back up onto your RV hauler. We also have all the storage systems called drum boxes. This one allows you to drive the Jeep underneath while still having a massive 77 cubic feet of storage, or we also have our drum storage cabinets. Here's a half-height one. Here are two unpainted that stack on top of each other. And what's great is everything we've designed here at RVHauler store goes on a pallet. I can ship it to you. You can build it yourself. We also have the install yourself step systems for your Gen 2 or your Gen 3 Volvo. No longer do you have to lift up your leg if you got bad knees or a bad hip or a bad back. Now we add extra steps on here that'll never rust, that you can install yourself and paint yourself to match your RV hauler. But what I think is most important is for 15 years, we've been making videos showing people how to build their own RV haulers. We've got the whole library of videos on how to not only design your RV hauler, but now for those do-it-yourselfers, you can build one of your own RV haulers to take whatever toys you want. We ship throughout Canada and the United States. And if you'd like to learn more about what we're building here at RVHauler store, check out our YouTube channel, RVHaulers. Thanks for watching, and everybody drive safe. And also down below in the description are the links to the RVHauler store where you can check out prices and availability on all these parts. Thanks for watching.